Hi, today I'm going to show you how to automate and import contacts or leads directly into HubSpot. Let's say you have a CSV file or XLSX or Google Sheet of leads that you need to import. Either you get this emailed to you or it's put on an FTP server somewhere or something you get it regularly. It has first name, last name. These are your leads, email. And in the end, we want it imported as a contact into HubSpot. So let's do that quick with Easy CSV. So after you create an account with Easy CSV, you'll be dropped onto the first setup page for your first import page. You can take that file you have, the example file, just drop it here. We don't do any import, it's just for setup. So I'm gonna do HubSpot. Cool. You can name this page. Maybe you're importing leads into a client's HubSpot instance. All the columns from the file would be listed here. If there's any columns you're not going to use, just uncheck them. Only the columns you tell Easy CSV about, they will look at, and Easy CSV will ignore the rest. Click Next. Then we're going to click HubSpot here as the destination. Cool, and now we're on our import page. We have two things to do, but eventually you'll be able to just drop files here and other ways to automate, which I'll run us through as well. So the first thing you have to do is enter your HubSpot API info. You can click this button here, or you can always go to the import flow, which describes how the import page works. This top area shows all the ways that Easy CSV can receive the file or go and fetch the file for you. You can email a file to this custom email address you get. You can post a file through our API. You can tell Easy CSV to go fetch files from FTP, Drive, Sheets, whatever, on a regular schedule. The middle area specifies those 6 columns that we told Easy CSV about. We can also filter out data we don't want. And then we have these special fields called virtual fields. Check our docs for them. You can combine fields. You can massage the fields, like if you need to upcase them or downcase them, whatever you want to do here. Clean data. And then you'll have the destination where you send the data. There's 2 things we need to do. We have to put in our HubSpot API key, and then we have to map the spreadsheet columns to the fields in HubSpot. So we'll click here. We would paste our API key here. I'm going to pause the video, get my key, and save this. So I put that info in there. Now the last step is we just need to map the spreadsheet columns. So on the left here is all the HubSpot fields from your lead, your contact or lead object in HubSpot. And we have to choose what field from the actual file we want to send over. So on the right, these will be all the columns from the file. Also, any virtual fields you make, Easy CSV virtual fields. So we'll do company name. Everything on the left is in alphabetical order. We'll do country. We will do email. First name. We will do last name. And we will do phone number. So you notice there's a lot of fields here you can map to. If there's any fields that are missing, just reach out to support via chat or email, and we can add it. Click Save. Cool, now you're ready to do an import. You can drag the file here to test it. You can email the file as an attachment here. You can go up to Scheduled Fetcher. You could set up a fetcher for Easy CSV to grab the file from somewhere on a schedule. There's a bunch of different ways to do it. For this example, I'm just going to go search for that test spreadsheet I have. And it has 23 records on it. I'm going to import. Cool, all 23 were successful. If we go over here, you can refresh, and you'll see all the contacts or leads in HubSpot. Pretty easy. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out and contact Easy CSV support. Thanks.